The question reads as your girlfriend sold 20 pens at the cost price of 25 pence. Why girlfriend only? It could be slash boyfriend. No, the question is, I mean, is not is partial. You get, doesn't it? Also, I can say boyfriend. Okay, sold 20 pence at the cost price of 25 pence. Simple, right? And does she get, or does she or he get profit or loss, and by what percent? For sure is a profit, correct? No? So option number A and B we can eliminate, because I'm selling 20 pence at the cost price of 25 pence, correct? No, correct. No, so of course it's a profit. Now how do I solve it? But remember, we have also D option. This is very important to understand how to solve it. So can I write in the simplest way? If you see on the screen, oh, I need your concentration completely on the screen, everyone. So 20 SP, can you say 20 SP, SP means what? Selling price must be equal to 25 CP. Any doubt? Yes or no? Super.
Yes.
Now can I say here 20 now let's, can I say SP equals 25 divided by 20 CP? Yes or no?
Hmm.
What is SP? Final value. What is CP? Initial value. Correct. So can I, how much we'll get here? We'll get 1 point, how much? 1 point, tell me. 25. Superb. 1.25 of what? 1.25 times of CP equals the final value. So when do I get 1.25 times? When the profit is 25%. Remember, you forgot. Just reverse order, right? The question. If the profit is 25% on the cost price, how to find the SP? Same thing, no? 1.2, 1 plus 25%. You forgot. 1.1 plus 25%, which means 1.25 of the cost price CP. My answer is correct. This is the one approach. What is the other approach? Let's also, I'll tell you one more approach, simple approach here. Is given 20 SP equals 25 CP, right? Let's find the ratio. So can I say SP divided by CP? How much we get? 25 by 20. I got this ratio. Can I say the ratio is 5 5s and 5 4s? Correct? 5 by 4 ratio, right? How much SP? 5 parts. What is CP? 4 parts. So how much increment? How many parts increment? 1 part increment from CP to SP, which means from the original to the final. How much increment? What is difference? 1. What is the original? 4 into 100. Correct? No, that is 25%. 25%, that is the increment, because SP is more, which means the final value is more than the initial value. How much? How many more? That is 1 point. Okay, so 1 part is more than the initial part, right? So 1 by 4 into 100, I'll get the answer. That's why my answer is option number C.